So this morning, there is a news circulating all over social media that Peter Obi promised that if he win 2027 election, he will release Nnamdi Kanu. This matter has now got attention from Northerners. This currently news that I'm giving you now have now got attention from Northerners, Ariwa people, I mean us. It have got attention from us. The reason why Northerners did not support releasing of Nnamdi Kanu is very clear. The first reason is that Nnamdi Kanu, no any movement of Fulani man, no any agenda of a Fulani man, Nnamdi Kanu did not support any banditry from Fulani man. When you go back and start watching his videos, where Nnamdi Kanu always talking about problems of Nigeria, he always against Fulani. And of course, me and you know that Fulani is our problem. Fulani is our problem. And we have to say it. We are not afraid of anybody. Fulani are problems of Nigeria. Also, why Fulani are problems of Nigeria? Fulani are problems of Nigeria because they support banditry. They support terrorists. A Fulani man can see his brother doing something wrong. He can never tell him the truth. Now, what is our own offense from Igbo people? Our own offense from Igbo people is that we support them. When they do something bad, we Arewa people will now say that they are against our religion. A Fulani man can never defend himself without staying behind religion. He always hide behind religion and claim. He always stand behind Islam and claim. So if you don't want Peter Obi to release Nnamdi Kanu, why banditry, Boko Haram in Borno State, in Yobe State, have been forgiven by Nigeria government? Thousands of Boko Haram who kill our armies, kill our police, kill our soldiers, kill our farmers, business owners, kill our people, kill our Nigerians army. They have been forgiven several times, even yesterday. So are you surprised if Peter Obi is going to release Nnamdi Kanu, a person who demanding for justice for his people? Are you stupid? Do you have any problem with Nnamdi Kanu? We know that we don't have problem with him. Release him. We don't have issue with him. He is not our enemies.
There was a video when Peter Obi said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is innocent, that he is not supposed to be in prison, that he should be free. So those people that are fighting Peter Obi, those people that don't want Peter Obi to become the president of Nigeria, they started propagating that video saying that Peter Obi said that if he becomes the president of Nigeria, that he is going to free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from prison. With what Peter Obi said in that video, it is proof that if he becomes the president of Nigeria, that he will release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from prison. That is what we Igbo people want. Peter Obi should become the president of Nigeria and free our brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is just in prison. He did nothing. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was sent to life in prison, all because he is speaking up for Igbo, nothing more. On what charge are they sending Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to prison? Omatoshono fit talk. He just say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is being sent to life in prison. This guy that is saying this thing, he is a Hausa person from the north. The Oma said that the reason why the north are not in support of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's release is because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu knows the footsteps, the plans and the agenda of Fulani people in Nigeria. He said that if you go back and watch the videos of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is speaking against Fulani people. Northerners are against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because they felt that they are one people with Fulani people. And those Northerners that don't want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to come out in prison are mostly those Northern Muslims that are not Fulani people. Just like the young man said, he said that Northerners always use religion to fight Igbo. If Igbo start to speak against the North, Northerners go start to talk, say, Igbo people don't like us because of our religion. They don't like us because we are Muslims. And now that religion, Fulani people, they hide under, they commit atrocities for Nigeria. That is what this young man said. Northern Christians are not against the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It's the Muslims amongst them. Now the few Northern Muslims wey don't wake up, now them you dey see so they speak against Fulani people. Now them you dey see they support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Fulani terrorists are not only killing Northern Christians, they are not only killing other Nigerians outside the north, they are also killing Hausa Muslims in northern Nigeria. So any Hausa Muslim where they support Fulani people, that one na Hausa Muslim where be say he is a religious bigot. That Hausa person where be say he gets Fulani blood in him. Hausa Fulani. So they must defend their bloodline. That's why we see some Northerners defending Fulani people. He said that Fulani people are the major problem of Nigeria because they support banditry and terrorism. Now Hausa person from northern Nigeria they talk this thing. Now Hausa Muslim they talk this thing. So if to say that we Igbos talk now, you go see some idiots from Nigeria go say Igbo people are the friends of Nigeria, this that. Are Igbo people killing you people in your region? No. Fulani people are the ones killing people all over the country. They are killing people in the southeast, they are killing people in the south, they are killing people in the middle belt, they are killing people in the southwest, they are killing people in the north. So anyone that says that Igbo are the problem of Nigeria, that person is an animal in human form. That person is supposed to be a goat. Igbo are the problem of Nigeria. Are Igbo people killing you in your geopolitical zone? No. This is the problem of Yoruba people. They keep blaming Igbo people for their problems, yet Fulani are the ones killing them. If you go to Twitter now, Yoruba people are busy dragging Igbo people. They are not dragging Fulani people that are killing them. They are dragging Igbo people. Every reasonable Nigerian knows that the problem of Nigeria is Fulani. The reason why Nigeria is a backward country today is because of Fulani people. Fulani people are killing people all over the country. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu started speaking against Fulani people, telling Nigerians that Fulani is coming. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not only speaking up for Igbo people, he is also speaking up for Hausa people, telling Hausa people to wake up that Fulani is coming to kill them. He told Yoruba people that Fulani is coming to kill them. He told we Igbos that Fulani is coming to kill us. He told everyone from the whole geopolitical zones in Nigeria that Fulani is coming to kill them and take over their land. But instead, they all said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a hate monger, that he is trying to cause a civil war in Nigeria, that he is trying to turn Hausa people against Fulani people, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a hate preacher. What is happening today? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in prison. That Fulani that he said that they are coming to kill Nigerians, they are slaughtering Nigerians. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was sent to prison, some Northerners were happy. So many of those Northerners have been killed by Fulani people. Some Yoruba people are happy that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was sent to life in prison. So many of those Yoruba people are being slaughtered by Fulani people now. Some people not go accept good advice till strong thing go do them. That is what is happening to Nigerians today. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is being hated because he is an Igbo man, nothing more. If Fulani people commit a crime, instead of Hausa people to speak against it, they will support Fulani people. That support that Hausa people are supporting Fulani people is what is killing Hausa people today. Since Fulani people start to kill Hausa people, how many Hausa people you don't see stage massive protests? They protest against Fulani people. It shows that Hausa people in the north are still in support of Fulani. If you are not in support of Fulani, why are you people afraid to protest against Fulani people? If we start to speak against una now, when I go to say, Igbo people wants Hausa and Fulani people to start fighting each other. We Hausa people, we are not supporting banditry, we are not supporting terrorism. Why are you people not protesting against insecurity in northern Nigeria? Why are you people not protesting? The only thing that Hausa people know how to do is, if America bomb Iran, you go see them for northern Nigeria, they go start to the protests. Shameless people. You go see Hausa people, they go carry banner for Kaduna, for Kano, for Katsina. They go start to the protest, telling Donald Trump to leave Iran alone. Donald Trump is a terrorist. He is this, he is that. But the one where they kill them for northern Nigeria, you will never see them protest. Evil people. Hausa people are the major problem of Nigeria, not just Fulani, because Hausa people, now them they give Fulani leg. Hausa is the major problem that we are facing in Nigeria. Some people will not understand these statements. For Nigeria to be free from insecurity, Hausa people are expected to play a major role. Hausa people have a very big role to play, and that is by making sure that Fulani does not occupy power again. By making sure that they fight Fulani terrorists with full force. We Igbos cannot do it alone. If we Igbos start revolution now the same Hausa people go team up with Fulani, start to dey kill we Igbo people. Una thought say una not like insecurity, una not like banditry, yet you people are the backbone of Fulani terrorists. We have to say the truth. E go pay many people, but we go to talk am as e be. The young man said it here in the video that they Hausa people, na that religion they make e be like say that they protect the evil where Fulani people they commit. He said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that is demanding for the freedom of his people, is in prison. Why? Fulani terrorists that are killing Nigeria army generals, killing army officers, killing army colonels, killing police officers, killing civilians, killing traditional rulers, killing villagers, and so on. Those terrorists are being given amnesty. They are being integrated back into the society. But Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will not be terrorist. He did for life in prison. If you come to TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, and other social media platforms, you will see so many Nigerians jubilating that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who have not killed people in their geopolitical zone, is in prison. Yoruba people cannot tell you that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is killing Yoruba people in the southwest. Hausa people cannot tell you that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is killing Hausa people in the north. Middle Beltans cannot tell you that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu killed Middle Beltans in the Middle Belt. Ndibo cannot tell you that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is killing them. As Mazi Nnamdi Kanu started agitating for Biafra, Igbo you started protesting, saying that they want Biafra. Nigerian army came and started shooting our people. A freedom fighter is in prison, but terrorists are being integrated back into the society. An army general from Nigeria some time ago said that repentant Boko Haram can aspire to become the president of Nigeria. Just imagine what that army general said. A repentant Boko Haram can become the president of Nigeria. To fear. It's a cause to be a Nigerian. Being a Nigerian is an abomination. Nigeria is a cause to humanity. Other countries are killing terrorists, but in Nigeria, they give terrorists amnesty. They integrate terrorists back into the society. As they integrate terrorists back into the society, where they integrate them back into? Now for northern Nigeria, how many times have you seen Hausa people in the north protest against it? They will never protest. Instead, they are waiting for America to fight Iran so that they will start protesting for Iran. Needle full Hausa people eye. They leave the needle where they their eye. They blow the sand where they for Iran eye. Hausa people need to rise up and say no to hypocrisy. Now hypocrisy they kill Hausa people for northern Nigeria. Hypocrisy. If not be this Peter Obi and Kwakwaso movement, so many Hausa people therefore still they blind to the truth. And that's because they have made it mandatory in northern Nigeria that an Igbo man will never become the president of Nigeria. If Fulani people from northern Nigeria tell Hausa people, during the 1966 coup, Igbo officers were killing northern officers. They killed the Sadana Sokoto Ahmadu Bello. They killed Tafawa Balewa. Blah, 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 blah. You go see so many Hausa people that go start to support Fulani again. The problem of Hausa people is lack of vital information. We dey 21st century. Yet, so many Hausa people no wan make research. Army generals during the 1966 coup, they thought say the 1966 coup is not an Igbo coup. Alabi Sama said that the coup is not an Igbo coup. IPOB said that the coup is not an Igbo coup. So many others are saying that the coup is not an Igbo coup. Even as Yoruba people they hate Igbo reach, Yoruba army generals that fought the Biafra war, they wrote their own books. They said that the 1966 coup is not an Igbo coup. Now that Igbo coup matter now make Hausa people hate Igbo people with passion. Now the ones where don't wake up, they talk all this is where they see so. Once Fulani bring up the issue, you go see so many Hausa people that go start to the verse, they go start to the para, they go start to say Peter Obi will never become the president of Nigeria. Just imagine, Peter Obi say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is innocent, that he's not supposed to be in prison. People where they do propaganda, where they support Tinubu, they start to the propaganda. They talk say Peter Obi say if he become the president of Nigeria, say he go free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let Peter Obi free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Peter Obi become the president of Nigeria and free our brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from prison. He's innocent. Without this, why Tinubu they do so? You think say Tinubu go free bring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for prison? He not go bring him out. If Tinubu say go bring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for prison, he is only saying it to get the vote and support of Ndibo in the southeast. If Peter Obi become the president of Nigeria, he go surely bring out our brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for prison. Ndibo, get your PVC. Let's make sure that we remove Tinubu from power in 2027. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is our own. We will never abandon our brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in prison and be voting for Tinubu to go back to second term in 2027. Soludo did that place, they disgrace himself. They tell say, let's vote for Tinubu in 2027. Governor will not get shame. Instead of to cover him face in shame, he dey online, they talk rubbish. If you talk now, they go to say, you dey insult our governor, our well-respected governor, our amiable governor, our good governor. Mad people everywhere. Your brother dey prison, they free bandits and terrorists. As they free those bandits and terrorists, they integrate them back into the society. Soludo don't feel open him mouth, speak against them, no. The Hausa guy said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not the problem of northern Nigeria. He said the fact. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not killing Hausa people. He is not killing Kanuri people. He is not killing Benue people. He is not killing Kogi people. He is not killing Niger people. He is not killing Sokoto people. Nobody from northern Nigeria go tell you say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na be the cause of insecurity wey dey for northern Nigeria. They only hate him because he is an Igbo man. They only hate him because he wants Ndibo to leave Nigeria. And if Ndibo leave Nigeria, that crude oil and gas where the north they milk from Igbo land go stop. They will no longer have access to that resources. That is why so many northerners are against the creation of Biafra. The problem of Hausa people be say that they fight for their big men. Person they take una they play politics, una go they fight for them, una go they defend them, una not they think about una own life. That is the reason why northern Nigeria is the poorest geopolitical zone in Nigeria. Alamajiri everywhere. That will not be our problem. Instead of thinking of how are we going to remove these children from the streets. Schools full northern Nigeria. Hausa children, so many of them are not going to school. They are in the streets begging. Insecurity not allow northern children to go school. That is supposed to be the concern of every reasonable northerner. No be the issue of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You northerners are supposed to be demanding for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be released. But so many of them not go fit do am because Fulani people are manipulating you people with Islamic religion. If people talk now and I say, they are fighting our religion, they are fighting our religion, it don't blind on her from seeing the truth. You people can no longer see the truth. You can't say the truth because Fulani people they manipulate on our brain. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not the problem of Nigeria. Ishiegwale.